Hello and welcome to this quick video about the classroom that we have here. When you are at your main dashboard of your account, you're going to see this main menu that will help you decide where you want to go based on what you want to do. Right now we're going to be talking about the classroom. The classroom helps you, gives you tips about how to work with your solvers. That's essentially what they do. So just for a quick example, let's say that you want to solve a quadratic equation. So this is the solver that allows you to automatically get step-by-step solutions for a quadratic equation. So say we have a quadratic equation with the term a here, it's equal to 2. The term b here, it's equal to 4. And the term c here is equal to -4. So we ask the solver to give us step-by-step solutions by clicking here. And what we get is a complete step-by-step solution where we state the equation we're solving, all the algebraic steps you have to take in order to get the solution, the actual solutions, and then you also get a graphical depiction. So that's, you're using the solver. After that, you might be wanting to know maybe more about how the solution got obtained, or certain steps or some more in-depth explanation. So you can go here, this button here, what it says, see explanation, and just click it, and it explains you what it does. If you still want to know more about the solver, or you want to know more about examples, other examples other than the one you just solved here, you might go here and click Go to Classroom. So you're gonna get to the following screen. So we're in the quadratic equation calculator classroom, the classroom for the quadratic equation calculator. So you have 4 things you can do here. You can see again the explanation, like why we compute the solutions the way we do, what formula we use, etc., etc. Sometimes you have longer explanations because certain procedures will require longer explanations. And then one very useful element here is that you can see solve problems related with the solver. So let's click here and see related solve problems. And it will take you to this list. We're going to have plenty of sample problems to review. All right, so let's take another example. For example, let's just say something, a t-test for one mean. So you have the t-test for one mean, and here you specify the parameters required for your test. And I'm just making up some numbers just for the sake of the example, right? This is what you find in any stats book, t-test for a population mean, and then you get these long questions with lots of information. Then all you have to do is type these numbers here, and then you request a step-by-step solution by clicking here. And voila, the solver gives you this complete solution with all the steps, conclusion, etc., graph. And you click here to see the explanation if you want to see an explanation for what you're seeing. Most people will be fine with this, but in case you want to know more about the solver, you have this explanation that tells you a little bit more why we do what we're doing. You can actually go even deeper and go to the classroom, and you can see the explanation, you can see videos, you can go back to the solver here, or one of the useful elements, you can see related problems. So we're going to see more problems about the t-test. So you click here, and you get this long list about hypothesis testing here. T-test. T-test one mean. And we have all the procedure for that problem. You see, you have 266 solved problems for this specific topic. And this happens essentially with any other test you want to perform using the solvers. Say you want to compute binomial probability, you go here and this is just an example. Let's say we want to compute, we have a binomial distribution, we specify the parameters, and then we make it calculated, and then we get the answer. And the same way you can access the classroom for the binomial probability calculator. And you can see related solved problems. As you can see, hundreds and hundreds of solved problems, complete solutions for you to go and practice. It's one thing just to get the solver do for you, but also you can here see thousands of examples, and that can be certainly very helpful when you're preparing for a test. Okay, that's it for now. It's just a quick overview of the classroom. And by the way, you can access the classrooms directly through this button here, and then you can see the classroom for any specific solver, for example, scatter plot maker, and you can see the solve problems, and you see related problems. All right, well, that's it for now. Have a good one.